अरे बोर्ड्स का डेट तो आने वाला है, पर नीट का कब आएगा? पूरा वीडियो देख लो, शॉर्ट में सब। Welcome back to this video. This is an update video answering all your doubts which you all commented in my comment section and asked me in my Instagram, right? So on 26 December 2020, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank tweeted, and then he tweeted that on 31st of December at 6 p.m. he will be announcing the date for boards of 2021. So JEE of 2021 dates are known, application forms has been released, boards 2021 dates are known. Dates will be known by 31st of December at 6 p.m. Now everyone is messaging me about NEET, right? The queries are, when will the NEET 2021 exam be? Syllabus reduction, application form, release date. So every question will be answered in this video in just few minutes, right? So according to the tweet, 31st December at 6 p.m. he will be answered. So boards का पता चलने के बाद, JEE का पता चलने के बाद, अब NEET का क्या होने वाला है? The date of examination, syllabus reduction, application form date release. Beginning with date of examination. Now, according to MCC, the new session will be starting from October 2021, right? Though for those students who will be clearing NEET in 2021, so their session will be starting from October 2021. Now, for the session to start from October 2021, the examination has to be within end of June or by the latest by first week or second week of July, because 1 month it will take for result publication. So within 15th August, and 1.5 months to 2 months are required for counseling processes. Then only on October 2021 the session for the new aspirants will start, right? Now, so the examination will be around mid-June to end of June, right? This is for sure. Now, syllabus reduction. Now, as per the latest FAQs that was released for JEE Mains 2021, the syllabus for JEE Mains is not reduced at all. But the question pattern has been changed, as you all know, right? So, the same will be for NEET only. 100% syllabus you will have to read. There may be options, or there may be an increment in the questions from 180 questions to there may be 200 questions in the examination, right? Now, the third question and the most awaited question is application form release date side. So, application form release date will be around January, first week of January. So within 10th of January, you will have the updates, right? Because they will not delay it if they have to take the examination by mid-June or end of June. So 10th of January you take as the latest. 10th of January 2021 you take as the latest date for examination. So both JEE known, boards known, NEET known, and with the hope that I have answered all your queries which you have asked me in the comment section in the Instagram, I would like to sign off. Please subscribe to my channel for the updates, and remember, 10th of January, within 10th of January, all of your anxiety will be over. All the NEET aspirants' anxiety will be over. 10th of January is the latest date in which you will for sure be knowing the date of examination, the syllabus reduction and all this, because October 2021 is the session starting. So, and syllabus reduction, syllabus will not be reduced for 2 attempts or 1 attempt. Everything will be answered within 10th of January. Ministry will not delay it further. With this hope, I would like to sign off. Thank you all. हाँ, वीडियो तो देख लिया और पता भी चल गया कि नीट का डेट कब तक आ जाएगा. अगर हाँ तो लाइक्स भी कर दो, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, और अच्छा लगा तो कमेंट्स भी कर दो. थैंक यू.